Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enable send troubleshooting data in Microsoft Outlook on computer. So how to enable send troubleshooting data in Microsoft Outlook on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To activate it, just go. Direct the cursor to the upper right corner of the computer screen. Here there is a setting icon. And tap. Here there are many menu options that you can use. Select the General menu. Now in the General menu there are many menus. Tap the About Outlook menu. Now in this Outlook menu, tap to activate on Send Troubleshooting Data. The function of activating this menu in Outlook is to enable the sending of diagnostic data to Microsoft Outlook to help detect, analyze, and fix technical problems more accurately. So that's it, the tutorial how to enable send troubleshooting data in Microsoft Outlook on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.